Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 3rd, 2020, we have here one star Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, a binary, and a tectonic. Total of 6 Sudokus, and the first one is a Sudoku with a 1 star, and the 1-star Sudoku, this will be number 1, 2, 7, 4. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. Probably 27, because the 1 star has always 27. I've noticed that. But let's check. We have 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3 is 9. Plus 5 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 4 is 21, plus 2 is 23, plus 2 is 25, plus 2 is 27, as expected. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, which number shall I pick? How about the 1 in this row? A 1 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. I need more information. Then I can continue. How about the number 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. And now, how about the number 3 in this row, a 3 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about, well, I can. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. I need more information. Yeah. I need more information. Alright. which number? The 4 in this row, a 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then yeah, then how about let me see the 2, 5 and 6. Alright. 2. How about the number 7. Yeah, 4. Alright. Let me think. I have a blackout. These 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. I see here 4, so no 4 there. So the 4 should be here. 4. 5 is missing. 5. And a 6 is missing. We have a 6 here, so 6 could be there. 5, 2, and the 6 could be everywhere. 8, 3, 9, 2, 5. 5. 6. The 3. 6. 5. 3, 6. And the 4 is missing. The 4 and the 6 we have in this column. So no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 4 and a 6. That means the other 2 numbers. It's a pair. 2 pairs. 3 and the 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 3 goes there. Now I have a 3 here, so 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. And now 2 numbers left in this column. The 2 and the 7 are missing in this column. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. The other 2 numbers should be for the 5 and the 6. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 6 in this column. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 7. Alright. So we have a 7 here. And a 7 there. 7, 6, and the 9 are missing. Well, we have a 9 here, so these 2 boxes should be a 9. And these 2 boxes should be a 9. But I see here the 4 and the 6. These 3 numbers in this row, the 4, the 6, and the 9. We have a 4 and a 6 here, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. This should be the 9. The 4 and the 6 goes here and there. 7 and 6 here. Ooh, how about these 2 numbers in this column? 7 and the number 2. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. I marked them for you. It's a pair. Yeah, it's a pair. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. Now I have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore, this should be a 6, and that should be the 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. These 2 numbers should be 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. We have here a 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. Yeah. These 2 numbers in this big square for the number 7 and 6. 7 and 6. It's a pair. Alright. Then these 2 numbers in the last column for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. 9 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the row below, the third row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes. How about this number in the last row for the number 6? Then 2 numbers left in the middle row, the 7 and the 6. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. This should be the 7 and this should be the 6. We have a 6 now, so this should be the 7. 1 box left in this row for the 6. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 number left in the third row for the number 6. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 number left in this second row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column, first column for the number 7, and the final, no, these two are these 2 numbers I need to solve. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now, the two final numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later and bye bye for now.